Do you just want to build your landing pages in WordPress? Skip all the ClickFunnels, Builderall, Katera, etc., etc. I'm going to show you exactly how you can build a stunning landing page in your WordPress site in just a few minutes. So stay with me throughout this video. What's up guys, Zeb here. Today we're going to be talking about WordPress landing page tutorial. Alright, so we're going to be going through and I'm going to show you how to make an elegant landing page in your WordPress site in a matter of minutes using a simple plugin. Alright, now before we get started, let me introduce myself. To those that don't already know me, my name is Zeb Summers. I'm an online entrepreneur. I talk about affiliate, internet, digital marketing, and I'm here to help you through your journey to a laptop lifestyle so you can get some freedom in your life, guys. Now, if you are more interested in a passive income, one that can make you a full-time income online, click the link down below, my #1 recommendation, and I'll send you some information in regards to that. All right, let's get on with today's video about building a landing page with your WordPress site. All right. So the first things first, we're going to jump over here. This is my web page, okay? So you get my web page, zebsummers.com, okay? So if you can go there, browse. I got a couple blog posts. This has only been up for a little less than a month probably, so it's a work in progress. But one thing I do have in here is sales funnels, okay? So for instance, I got a book funnel, all right? This is my ebook. If you want to get that, there's a link down in the description in my video here. But this is done in WordPress. All right, so my landing pages are all done in WordPress. Not all of them. I do have some in ClickFunnels, but the ones on my WordPress site are used in WordPress. Okay, so I don't have nothing going outside of WordPress for this purpose. Okay, so I do use other softwares. I use ClickFunnels. And primarily I do that with traffic that I use, paid traffic that I send traffic to for specific applications or softwares that I'm promoting. Okay, so, but you can all be done within WordPress, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. Okay, so this landing page, I'm going to show you how to create something very similar, and we're going to get right into it right now. All right, so I'm going to close that page, and just for instance, if you go to the bottom of my Facebook, bottom of this video, you're going to see a description similar to this. All right. So this is a funnel that I built in WordPress. All right. This is a page in my website. This is a funnel that I made, or not a funnel, a landing page I made within my WordPress site. All right. So you'll get a picture of what I did there with my YouTube videos. Okay, just you can go down in my description and actually kind of model yours the same way. So first things first, you want to log into your WordPress site, go to your dashboard. All right, so that's the first thing we want to do. So the second thing we want to do is run over to Thrive Themes. So what I'm using to do this is Thrive Architect. All right, and I'll talk more into that, and we'll get in a little detail here in a few seconds. But I wanted to let you know that this is the product that I use, is Thrive Themes. All right, so what Thrive Themes has is a product called Thrive Architect. There's a couple ways of getting this product. You can either purchase the product. I purchased the product outright. I think is like $60 or something like that for one page. All right, so I purchased that, but they actually have a very good deal going on where you can actually join as a member with Thrive Themes. I think it's like $20 a month, and you can get all their plugins. All right, so if they would have had that, they didn't have that when I bought Thrive Architect myself, or I would have went that route because they have a lot of other things that are very good and will make your WordPress site much more powerful. Okay, so what does Thrive Architect actually do? It's actually very fast. It builds very quick, easy landing pages, and it helps you connect your API to your Get Response account, etc., etc. Okay, so you can come here to Thrive Themes /architect and review this. All right, I am not an affiliate for this company. I'm just sharing what I use to build out landing pages on a website if in case you don't want to go down the ClickFunnels route or whatever. Now, I'm not saying ClickFunnels is not good, because ClickFunnels is probably the best out there as far as quality for building your sales funnels. But if you can't afford that, then don't do it. All right. The best part about these is they're in WordPress, and WordPress is your stuff and you get to keep it forever. All right. So that's the upside of creating a WordPress website and using WordPress landing pages, because you back that up. That's your stuff. All right. So if your site goes down, you have a backup copy of all your stuff, where if ClickFunnels goes down or disappears tomorrow, it's all gone. If Builderall just collapses, you're not going to have none of your shit, your whole website, everything. You're dependent on one location. That's why I'm not too excited for putting all your eggs in one basket like a Builderall. All right. But all's to their own. Builderall is a great tool for beginners, okay, with a minimal budget. But I'm not going that route. All right. So I have a WordPress site, and I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do to create this with a Thrive Architect. All right. So the first thing you would do is you would go to this page and you would sign up with Thrive. So our products, I think you can sign up here. Let's, where is Thrive Architect? Look, I lost it. All right. So if we click on this, I think it was at the bottom of this. Oh, right here. I want to build better content. So right here, you can buy a Thrive membership for $19 a month, or you can buy the single license for $67 a month. So they didn't have this for me when I purchased this, or I would have went this route. All right. So pick and choose what you want to do, what's best for you. But if I were you, I'd go with this, because you get access to every plugin they have. But if you don't want to spend that much money, just put the one-time purchase and go with this. All right. So once you purchase that, what you're going to do is you're going to download a zip file. All right. And then you're going to go into your plugins. All right. You're going to go to your plugins. You're going to add new plugin. All right. So what they're going to do is they're going to offer you a zip file. All right. So you might even be able to find it in here. Nope. So they're going to give you a zip file. You're going to say upload plugin, choose file, and you're going to go right to that zip file. All right. So once you get into that zip file, you just go and move on. All right. So that's how that works. Once it's installed, you're going to come over here to Thrive Dashboard. All right. So you'll have a Thrive Dashboard and you have a product manager. So Thrive Dashboard is very good, because what it's going to give you, it's going to give you video tutorials and stuff for Thrive Architect. All right. Then you have the product manager. This is where you're going to register your product. All right. So you'll notice I have one product. If you had the $20 a month, you'd have all these. All right. So that's the advantage of using it with all these things. Okay. So I have this one registered, so I'm all good. So the next thing we'll do after you have it installed, registered, now we can start building pages. All right. So the first thing you want to do is you want to come in here and click add new. All right. So open up a new page. All right. We're going to open up a new page. We're going to just call it test landing page. All right. I'm just naming this for this. The first thing you have to do is name your page and publish it before you can do anything. Okay. Then after this is done, you just click launch Thrive Architect. It's going to take a few seconds and it'll load. And once it loads, I'm going to show you how easy it is to build a landing page. Okay. So this is the screen you're going to come to. It's going to be their default, whatever your web page default theme is. All right. So the first thing you want to do is you want to come over here. You want to click on this button right here. It's change template. Okay. So you click on that template and then you just scroll through it. There's tons of templates. Each one of these has a set of templates. So we're just going to go over here to create a simple one. Okay. We're going to say mini squeeze, and I'm going to pick this mini squeeze page. Okay. So you choose your template. That's simple. Now we have a simple template getting ready to load on this page. Okay. So you're going to be blown away how simple this is once you see it and how nice it is actually. So this is the background. All right. So this is the background. This is your landing page. You can put whatever text you want in here. All right. I'm going to leave all this alone for this tutorial because we go on for 10 minutes while I'm creating text, and I don't want to do that. All right. I just want to show you how simple this is. So the first thing you want to do is you want to create your copy. Okay, put your copy in here, whatever that will be, and you'll want to put copy in here related to the product or the sales page that you're actually promoting. Okay, so that your list or your audience knows what they're actually opting into here. All right. So the first things first is we want to connect our email service provider, right? Our autoresponder. I use GetResponse. Okay, so I already have GetResponse connected, so I'll select my GetResponse, and I'm just going to select. I have a ton of lists here. I'm just going to pick one and have it load for cycle day 0. I would highly recommend, if you don't have GetResponse and you're new, go get GetResponse. It's the best one out there. I have tried all of them. I've tried Aweber, whatever. GetResponse is the best one. All right. So, and what tops GetResponse is during your first 14-day trial, you can get this for free for 14 days. If you go down to the link in the description under resources, click on that link and then scroll down to GetResponse. Just sign up and you'll get a 14-day trial license. And in that 14 days, you can actually use the product full force. Okay. And the advantage of GetResponse is they don't require you to use a double opt-in on your first 14 or 30 days. All right. Aweber, your first 30 days, you have to have a double opt-in, which kind of sucks. Okay. So, and Mailing Boss and all them are double opt-in. So when you're first getting started, you want to do that. You want to get single opt-in because you want to get as many people as you can in your list. Okay. So you select your list. You can make your first name field. I was just running email address as a required field, but recently I just changed that to put first name because I actually would like to be able to email people by their first name. Okay. So the next thing you get to, you can actually reload the page after they enter this button, when they click this button, or you can redirect them. Okay. So we'll just redirect them, and I'm just going to redirect them to zebsummers.com. Okay. And what you'll do is you'll just save this. Okay. So now that's saved. All right. So we got GetResponse saved. We got this thing's ready to rock and roll. If we wanted to change anything else in here, we could come in here and change the button or whatnot text. Just like I showed you right here, we could say get access now or whatever, right? And then hit done. And then if you want to go back and change something else, you just hit that edit forms. Okay, edit form elements. If you want to put a checkbox in here, you can put a checkbox, and then you can come in here and change this by clicking edit form. I think in my opt-in pages, I think a lot of mine have a checklist here saying I'm adding you to my email list, and please check this box. I just like to do that because I don't want nobody to get freaked out that I'm actually emailing them. Okay, but that's just personal preference, and if you're new, don't do that. All right, so you hit save. We have our page pretty much done. All right, we don't need nothing like this. You could take this stuff out, but I like this, and I think this page is ready to rock and roll. So I hit save work. All right, you can hit preview, and it's going to show you a preview screen of what this actually looks like. Be like, oh, it looks pretty good. And, you know, I like the background. You could change this background out or whatever you want to do. And the settings over here, I think it's like landing page settings, then background style. You can go in here and take this page out and make it all black, or put in whatever you want in that page. Okay, but we're just going to hit save work, and we're going to close out of this. All right, so we're done building our landing page, and I want to show you what it actually looks like. All right, so this is what the page actually looks like right now. We're going to refresh it. All right, and I'm just going to put, you know, test Zeb in here, testzeb@gmail.com. Oops. And then we'll see, this should take me to my home page. All right, because I routed it back to my home page. So this is how it works. All right, so guys, you just watched me create a landing page, and it's a pretty cool looking page. All right, so we'll go back to the pages, and you'll see here my test landing page. If I want to go view it, I just click view and boom, there's my landing page. I can promote this link and I get send traffic right to my landing page, and it's built right into my site. And it has my name, you know, it has my website name and everything. So my brand sticks with my landing page. So that's why I like doing this in your WordPress site. All right, guys, hopefully this video didn't go on too long. Hopefully you got some kind of content, some good value add out of this. If you like more of these videos, give me a thumbs up, drop me some comments down below, and let me know what you like, what you don't like, would like to see in the future. Again, guys, if you haven't hit that subscribe button, click that subscribe button. And again, peace out, and I'll catch you on the next video.